here, you squirmy rodent.
I'll be with you in a second, folks, after I finish with Nature Boy here.
Oh, wait, you pesky rabbit. I've got you now. Ow.
One small step for one.
Whoa, watch I leave for more mountain! And one whop a headache for Elmer Fudd. Diminutive, ain't they? We see the one they call Bugs Bunny.
Yeah, Bugs Bunny.
Have you seen him?
Where is this guy?
Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Say, does he have great big long ears? Like this?
Yeah.
And does he hop around like this?
Yeah.
Well, does he say what's up, Doc, like this? Meh. What's up, Doc?
Yeah.
Nope. Never heard of him. You know, maybe there is no intelligent life out there in the universe after all. La-da-dee.
Hold on there, Mr. Looney Tune.
Hey, what do you think we are, stupid? Don't move a muscle.
Okay, Bunny, gather up your Toon pals. We're taking you for a ride.
Totally all right. So, like, where are we going? Are we there yet?